How to reset iPhone screen color. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down and go to the Smart Invert feature. Now, turn off the Smart Invert feature as shown. After that, make sure that the Classic Invert feature is turned off as well. Classic Invert reverses the colors of the display. And then, go to Color Filters. Turn off the Colors Filters switch as shown. Now, go back to the Settings page and go to General. Scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset. Then, tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode to continue. Following these steps, you can easily reset iPhone screen color.